Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. I'm here with our Waikato Sheds builder Mark.
G'day.
Jack. And good mate and ambassador KJ.
G'day mate.
Just talking about the next stage of our lawn journey out the front here at the office. The first time we met, we caught up with KJ. We made a bit of a plan about what we wanted to do, the type of grass we were going to do, a bit of a plan about the irrigation. Since then we've actually got our lovely irrigation plan, so we've got one step closer. We've sort of sprayed it, done a bit of spraying, we've dug a bit of trenches. A1 have been out and dug some trenches. We've had Adam's Electrical out here. They've laid a bit of electrical cabling for the pump and whatnot, a few lights and things. And now we are here with a whole lot of irrigation in front of us. So we're going to work with KJ, Mark and Jack are going to work it with him, and we're going to install this irrigation.
Hey, what's really cool guys is that so New Zealand Irrigation have done a plan around for the size of the area that we need to install. Part of it needs to working out how much water supply there is, so that's testing to be done. We now have a plan to work off. It's a little bit like putting a jigsaw together now, so we've got a whole lot of parts here and bits and pieces which we'll go through. But the whole thing was it's been designed and done properly so that we know that the irrigation supply or the water supply will be able to cover this whole total area. It's really cool too. So the irrigation system that's going to be installed today is an automatic pop-up irrigation system, so you can irrigate during the night, which is the absolute best time to irrigate. A lot of reasons why is it's not as windy, there's no one here, there's no one sitting out on the lawn having a picnic with irrigation sprinklers going. Also too, particularly in your house, if you've got the shower going or the running water, that can affect the irrigation. So I irrigate my lawns at home. That comes on at 4 o'clock in the morning. So that's what's great about an automatic irrigation system. The irrigation plan that we've got tells us where all of these parts that you see here, there's quite a number of them are going to go. Looks a little bit complicated, but it's not. It's if a man follows the map, he will be able to succeed in this. What do you like at reading maps? So what we have here is all the valves, which is pretty much what happens. This will get wired up to the controller, which we have right there, which Mark's got. That is the brains of the system. Sends a signal to our valve. The valve will open up. All of our irrigation pipe here will get installed, hooked up to that, and then that runs to the sprinklers, which are on a swing joint, so we can move them up and down when we install. So the irrigation system at 4 o'clock in the morning, and whenever it says go, oh, look at you go.
Like this, good dance move.
Put down the old irrigator.
Yes.
You're out of control.
And that's 180, right? So it'll just go like 180, you can get 360s.
100%. We can adjust these sprinklers to suit that size areas. So always install them with the left-hand side, and then you can adjust to the right. So great little pop-up sprinkler. But again, the beauty of this whole system is that irrigation will be able to come on during the night when there's no one here. Also, what Waikato Sheds have decided to do, which is even a great idea, is install some dripper lines, which also will be automatically controlled. So these will come on during the morning or during the night. And what this dripper feeder does, just drips out a little bit of water. So this normally goes into your gardens. So we've got some lovely little hedging and pittosporums in it here. This is what will irrigate these and make these look $1 million. It's going to be pretty cool, eh?
It's going to be nice, yeah.
So yeah, so it's all this reasonably simple. So now we've got Jack here who's going to be doing all the grunt work today. Fit young fella that he is. Look at him go.
We'll just stand and point. Jack can do all the hard yards.
Yeah,
sounds good to me.
So,
yeah, let's do it.
So we'll start and install now. What we will tend to do is start with the valve bank. We'll go and install that. We'll have a valve box here, which will be where it's so no one can see it. We'll go and install that first and work our way up. So looking forward to the next stage. Got to go piece by piece. There's all our bits and pieces. It's going to be amazing this day. Got that tape? How good your throw? Pretty good. Why am I installing the sprinkler so high above the ground level? The reason we do that is the ground level is going to change a little bit, so as over the next few months we will bring the ground level up to, and I'd rather have the sprinkler up above it. When the grass is established, I then can, due to the fact I've got a swing joint on, I can dig this around and lower it when I need it to get it to the right level. So just a little trick that might help people out.
G'day Jack.
Hello.
I'm here with Jack, my offsider. He's like my right hand.
Yep.
And what we're here doing is some timber work. It's a bit different for us. We used to steel, nice, hard, straight. We've got timber, and what we're doing is a mowing strip between this beautiful garden that we planted and the lawn that we're doing. So we're just putting this down at ground level, and then we'll build the dirt right up to it. Then the lawnmower is going to be able to just mow right up in between, and we'll have a little strip to keep all the bark in the garden. Absolutely beautiful stuff, and it's really coming together. Almost all going to be ready in time for the Christmas party. Merry Christmas.
I had nothing.